Today, let's explore the book Cognitive Awakening. It teaches us that with a little awakening, cognition can lead to explosive growth. This book helps us awaken our cognition in three ways. Firstly, it introduces the concept of the three brains: the instinctive brain, emotional brain, and rational brain. The instinctive brain, the earliest evolved, governs our instincts. The emotional brain, the limbic system, governs our emotions, and the rational brain, the cortex, governs our cognition. These three brains consist of billions of neurons that constantly respond to various information and stimuli, directing our body's different reactions. For example, when someone is bitten by a dog, their instinctive brain creates a neuron that develops a fear of dogs. Whenever they see a picture of a dog, hear the sound of a dog, or receive information related to dogs, this neuron triggers fear. On the other hand, exceptional individuals develop a neuron of self-discipline in their rational brain. When they encounter something that brings them pain but can promote intellectual growth, this neuron allows them to choose to endure the pain without hesitation. In a way, the difference between individuals lies in the neurons within their brains. With the right methods, everyone's neurons can be created or eliminated through deliberate practice. So, what hinders us from creating these growth neurons? The answer lies in the ability to delay gratification. When faced with decisions, our three brains produce different choices, leading to confusion and conflict in our consciousness. For instance, the instinctive brain naturally dislikes learning and thinking because they consume a lot of energy. However, the rational brain compels us to endure the pain and delay gratification. The neurons begin to argue, leading to a blurred consciousness and exhibiting characteristics of laziness and anxiety. Those with the ability to delay gratification choose to endure temporary pain for the sake of growth, and the happiness that growth brings strengthens this neuron, forming a positive cycle. On the other hand, those who succumb to instant gratification endure the anxiety brought by the rational brain while yielding to the laziness of the instinctive brain to conserve energy. If the desire for growth goes unfulfilled, the anxiety neurons become stronger, and the happiness from laziness strengthens the laziness neurons, resulting in a negative cycle. Therefore, individuals who succumb to instant gratification always expect to accomplish more in a short period, hoping to see immediate results, ultimately leading to accomplishing nothing. So, how can we improve our ability to delay gratification? The first method is timely reflection. The book refers to the ability for timely reflection as metacognition, a combination of mindfulness and self-control. Some individuals are only forced to reflect when facing criticism or blame, while others can separate a portion of their consciousness at any time to observe themselves, avoiding the trap of a blurred consciousness. For example, when you engage in an argument with someone, your emotions may make you angry, driving you to counterattack with words. But through metacognition, you realize that counterattacking will only worsen the situation, strengthening your rational brain and controlling your anger. The second method is choosing key moments. Every day, we encounter many moments that require us to make choices, referred to as metatime. When we recognize the arrival of metatime and utilize the ability of timely reflection, we can clarify our thoughts and form more distinct propositions. The third method is creating positive feedback loops. Define a goal and, using the principles of metacognition and metatime mentioned earlier, identify the correct path to achieving the goal. Along this path, provide yourself with positive feedback for each step, making each action clear and enjoyable, thus forming a positive feedback loop. When pursuing a goal, consider the following 3 points: clarity of the goal, not venturing too far beyond your comfort zone, and continuously receiving positive feedback information as you approach the goal, keeping yourself in a state of flow. In addition, the book discusses 2 important learning methods. The first is creating a learning loop, which involves connecting the knowledge and skills learned to relevant contexts, constructing our own models and knowledge systems. The second is applying the acquired knowledge to practical decision-making, as true learning can only be accomplished through implementation. Among these methods, the Feynman technique is considered particularly effective. Simply put, it involves organizing the knowledge learned in your own language and teaching it to a third person, which helps absorb and reinforce the knowledge. Furthermore, changing perspectives and adjusting mindsets are crucial. Every problem can be approached from different perspectives. Many times, a painful situation can become easier from a different viewpoint. For example, viewing work as a game, where various situations encountered are monsters and defeating each one earns experience points leading to leveling up and gaining promotions. Lastly, exercise and meditation are also vital. The benefits of exercise are self-evident, while meditation is often overlooked. Simply put, meditation is the practice of sitting quietly, focusing attention solely on breathing and present sensations. Spending a little time meditating every day can enhance brain strength, thereby increasing our ability to handle stress and negative emotions. To conclude, I'll share a quote from the author: "All human suffering is essentially anger at one's own incompetence."